Welcome to JSC Online Class. My dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine. I am also fine. This is my 5th class with HSC students. So, HSC ICT class number 5, chapter 4, chapter name Introduction to Web Design and HTML. Today we will learn about some fundamental HTML tags. At first we will learn bold tag. The bold tag specifies bold text without any extra importance. If you want to use bold tag, you have to use the opening bold tag before the text, and after the text you have to use the closing bold tag. Now BR. The BR tag inserts a single line break. It is useful for writing address or poems. The BR tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no end tag. This is an empty tag. Now I tag. The I tag defines a part of text in an alternate voice or mode. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. The I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship name, etc. Now U tag. In order to use underline, you have to use U tag. The U tag represents some text that should be stylistically different from normal text, such as misspelled words or proper nouns in Chinese. There is one tip. Avoid using the U element where it could be confused for a hyperlink. Now strong tag. The strong tag is a phrase tag. It defines important text. Small tag. The small tag defines smaller text and other side comments. Now big tag. The big tag was used in HTML4 to define bigger text. It's not supported in HTML5. That means it is not supported in HTML version 5. Now EM tag, that means emphasis tag. The EM tag is used to define emphasis text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. A screen reader will pronounce the words in EM with an emphasis using verbal stress. Now insert tag, that means INS tag. The INS tag defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browsers will usually underline inserted text. Del tag. The del tag defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted tag. Now subscript tag. If you want to write any chemical formulas like H2O, H2O4, you have to use subscript tag. The SUB tag, that means the subscript tag, defines subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O. Now superscript tag. If you want to write any mathematical formula, that means like a plus b whole square or a square plus b square, you have to use superscript tag. The SUP tag, that means the superscript tag, defines superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Subscript text can be used for font notes like www superscript 1. Now I will show you some practical tasks, that means how to open a editor, how to write HTML code, how to save HTML file, and how to run HTML file using browser. At first, create a folder of your desired location and give it a name. Now search Notepad editor you can also use Notepad++ or Sublime Text. You know the HTML document style. At first, HTML opening tag, then HTML closing tag, and inside it, at first, head portion, then body portion. You have to write the title inside body portion. HTML tags. You can use another name. Now we will use bold tag. At first write something. This is a line. Now file, save as, CLASS1, you can use another name, and extension will be html.html. Then save. Open the folder, and this is a line. Text is displayed here. We want to make it bold. That means use B tag and B closing tag. Save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. This is bold. Now we will use italic tag. This is another line. Use I tag, save it, refresh, italic. Now use break tag, BR, save, refresh it. Now we will use underline tag, U tag. U, and use here one. Save it, refresh. Now strong tag. Closing tag. Save it. Strong. Now we will use small tag. Save it, refresh it, small. Big tag. Save it and refresh it. Use here one break tag. Break is empty tag. Okay. Now we'll use emphasis tag. This is me. We want to use here em tag. Refresh it. Now we'll use insert tag. I like mango, not banana. use here insert tag ins and use here del tag. Refresh the file. I like mango, not banana. Now subscript and superscript. At first subscript. We want to write H2SO4 SUB again SUB save it. Use one break. Refresh the file H2SO4. But if you write H2SO4 then look at here, no subscription. Now we will use superscript tag a square plus b square. No change, but we have to use here superscript tag SUP. Just copy this portion, paste here, save. A square plus b square. Thank you.